Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we are making smothered pork chops with broccoli. So let's do what we do and make it happen. We have chicken broth. We have pork chops, about 3/4 inch thick. We have some frozen steamable broccoli, onions, bacon grease, olive oil, garlic, bay leaves, bacon, salt and pepper, red pepper flakes, and thyme. And for this, we're going to use a Dutch oven. This is raw meat, and this is fresh onions, but it's okay because I'm going to cook all of this. I have a knife here, and I'm going to cut some slits into this pork chop through the fat. I don't want it to curl up while I'm cooking it. First thing I did was put salt and pepper on both sides, and I'm going to massage the salt and pepper in. Next, I'm going to turn on the heat to medium-high. Take the top off of this. Now the first thing I'm going to add to this Dutch oven is some baking fat, some bacon grease. You make your bacon and you pour off the excess fat into a jar and you save for later use, and that's what I'm using now. Now we're going to get our pork chops into the Dutch oven and nestle them in. And what we're going to do here is brown both sides of the pork chops. Yo, find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. The next thing we're going to do is remove our brown pork chops to a plate and set them aside. I want to point out this is a good time to preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm going to add a little oil to the pan. And I'm going to slide in some sliced onions. A little salt. And I'm going to stir that around a little bit and get everything mixed up really well. Now I'm going to cook the onions until they become slightly caramelized. They're soft. Now I'm adding the garlic to the Dutch oven and I'm going to give that a stir. Next up is the red pepper flakes and thyme. We need a little bit of flour. I didn't mention it when I listed the ingredients, but that goes in. Now I'm going to stir the flour and the other ingredients until the mixture turns brown. What I'm doing here is making a roux. I'm whisking in the broth. I'm scraping up the delicious bits off the bottom of my Dutch oven as I whisk. Now I'm just going to slide our pork chops back into our sauce. I'm tossing in some bay leaves here. I'm going to stir that around a little bit. Move this pork chop into the sauce. Try to get the sauce to cover the pork chops. That's the goal here. That's how you smother them. Now I'm going to add the chopped up bacon. Try to spread the bacon evenly over the chops. After everything is to my liking, I'm going to add the lid to the Dutch oven, turn the heat off, and move it to the preheated oven and let it go for about an hour and a half. When the chops are almost done, I'll pop the bag of broccoli in the microwave according to the package directions, and we'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. Share my videos, and if you haven't already, subscribe. That's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.